I have a very exciting and full few days, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Today is Wednesday and it is actually 12:30. I was actually meant to start baking earlier, but there's a guy cleaning the oven downstairs, but he is nearly done, so I've just been waiting for him to get done and getting on with a few bits that I need to do. Today I have to bake a red velvet cake for today, and then I have to bake 2 sponges for Friday. I am now making the red velvet cake. I've just started. I need to add in 6 eggs. Here is what the cake mixture looks like. It looks so good. Look at that. And I'm now going to put it into the tins and then we can bake it. I'm now eating my lunch. It's literally loaded. It's a full tin of tuna with 15 grams of mayo and some cucumber on a bagel thin. I'm gonna have it. The red velvet cakes are out of the oven. They're still hot. Wait. This is what they look like. They look so good. So I'm just going to let them cool for a little bit. So obviously that needs to be done today in a few hours. So I'm going to let that cool, and then I'm going to do it a bit like how I do my carrot cakes, where I don't actually fully cover it. This cake is for Kai's mum's friend and I'm taking it over there tonight. One of her birthday presents is to go to ABBA, so I'm thinking put some disco balls on it. I've just started making, well, I say just started, literally the only thing I've done is measure out the butter. The other 2 cakes mix is done, and I'm just about to separate it into the first 3 tins, and then I need to do the mix again, but for 2 tins. So I'm going to quickly do that, and today I used for the red velvet cake to separate it into tins, I used this, and I thought, why do I not use this more often? So I've just washed it up and I'm just going to use it again. I've just realised that I didn't put any parchment paper in. I am done. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put them into the oven now. They need to go for 45 minutes. Also, quick question, guys. I just want to know if you have all been baking recently and if I've been influencing you to bake. Comment down below if you have baked anything in the past few days / few weeks. I want to know what it was, and also comment down below if you want any more recipes from me, because I will reply it back to you. So make sure you're commenting on if you've been baking and what recipes you would like to see from me. I actually went and sat outside for a little bit, which is the first time I have all weekend. These are what the red velvet cakes look like, and I just cut the tops off of 2 of them and saved the one which will be the top layer. The other cakes have just come out the oven. These are the cakes. The cake looks so good. I'm honestly so happy with it. I cannot believe it. I think it looks so good. My one issue is how I'm going to transport it 25 minutes on my own to Kai's house on like the long country roads. Fast country road, sorry. I am now finished for today because I'm now going to quickly get changed and head over to Kai's for the evening, and I'm not going to take my camera. So I'm not going to film when I'm there. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day of lots of work. Good morning, everyone. I'm just about to head to the gym. Oh, you can't even see, but it's so cold. It is 7:09. And I feel like every time I film, Alex doesn't come, but it's really not often that she doesn't come, but she's not coming this morning. I'm here. I'm going to go in. I think I might actually take you guys with me. There is no one here at the minute in the cardio room. I'm 4.5 minutes in. I do it every day. Incline 12, speed like around 3.5. I'm gonna stretch. I'm all done now, but I ended up doing 45 minutes, which I'm really happy about. I'm gonna go home now, so I'll see you when I'm home. I have just made my breakfast. I have yogurt, strawberries, granola, chia seeds and honey. I think this comes to like just under or just over 300 calories. No, just under. I think it's like 250, something like that, which is really good and it's really nice. Look at that. Hello everyone, it is actually now 11:45. I have been really contemplating doing my editing, but I've started it. I had a shower and got changed. I've just edited one video and I have 4 more to do. 3 edits, 2 more to go, but I'm going to have some lunch first. Little update for you guys. I went out and sat outside for about half hour, 45 minutes. I was just chilling on my phone and Bubbles was with me. Now I'm just about to start carrying on editing. Like I said, I've got 2 videos left. It is now 2:43. So I want to see if I can get done by 4 o'clock. Hopefully, we'll see. I don't know. Hello everyone. It's actually now 11:20. No, I haven't filmed for a long time. I'm sure the last thing that I filmed was before I finished editing. I managed to finish editing at 4:15, so 15 minutes after I got a bit distracted. I then have basically chilled out for the rest of the evening, to be fair. Editing actually makes me so tired, I don't know why. But Kai ended up coming over. He was meant to be at football training tonight, but it got cancelled, so he came over, which was really nice. I'm just about to go to bed, but I'm just writing in my wellness journal. I have a very long day tomorrow, but I have lots of stuff to do, so I'll be taking you guys along with me on my day tomorrow. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday today, and I have been to the gym. I have had breakfast and I have showered and washed my hair. It is 9:56, just before 10 o'clock. I'll run you through what I actually have to do today. I need to, at some point, put cash onto my card, finish 2 cakes, edit this video, get my nails done, pack for Paris tomorrow, and curl my hair this evening. I need to get started. But I was just beating up all the butter for the buttercream, and then I'm going to go down in a minute and finish off the buttercream, and then I will crumb coat the cake. I think Kai is coming over this evening as well. Guys, I don't actually ever really see him this much. Obviously, like I said, I wasn't meant to see him last night. I was always going to be seeing him today because I see him most Fridays. So he's coming over tonight because I'm not going to be with him all weekend as well. So I think it kind of makes up for it. The fact that I've seen him more this week is I won't be seeing him all weekend. You guys are going to have to stay tuned to see if I can get all of that list done today. It is now lunchtime and it's taken ages to transfer the footage onto my phone and then onto my iPad. But it's finally done. I'm just going to quickly have some lunch. I have teriyaki chicken poke bowl from Aldi. I got it today. I'm going to edit this video so that I can get it out for you guys. My mum has very kindly taken my money and put it into my account for me. She went to Lloyd's today, so that's another thing that I don't have to worry about. I know I haven't filmed for ages because it is now 3:45, but I'm just about to drive to get my nails done. Plans changed a little bit, and I'm going a little bit later without Brooke. She went with my nan because my nan had an appointment before. I have just got here, so I'm going to go in now. I think Brooke and my nan are still actually in here. These are what my nails look like before. They are my Valentine's nails, and I'm thinking I want to get French tip with 1 heart. These are my nails, guys.
I think I've similar to this before, if not this.
Your nails. I am home and I literally just got back. These are my nails. So they've got a little heart and then I've got a K on that one in glitter. And these without. I really like them. I think they're so cute. That is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye.